Are you losing time with cold prospects? My name is Slava and I am the CEO of Inguro. In this video, you will see how our sales intelligence platform can help you to find hot prospects, relevant matchmakers, and get trusted introductions. Meet one of our users, James. James doesn't know most of his 15,000 first-level connections. They are cold. James makes a LinkedIn search and finds 12,000 cold prospects. Why is Grace the first? She has only one mutual connection. Why is Julia on the page 100? She has 56 mutual connections. Experience shows that one needs 3,000 cold prospects to close one deal. James joins Inguro and connects his LinkedIn account. In minutes, Inguro's proprietary AI calculates the relationship scores. It identifies that James knows Jessica but does not know Dana. Mike is a strong connection of James because they work at the same company and exchanged many messages. Many of James' connections are just like him. They also have thousands of connections they don't actually know. How can one find out which connections are real? Inguro calculates the relationship scores for all of the mutual connections. Mike and Julia have a strong relationship score because they lived in the same area, studied at the same school, and liked many of each other's posts. On Inguro, search results are prioritized by the relationship score. Now, Julia is at the top. With a few clicks, James discovers that Mike is his most relevant matchmaker. James can easily use this data for warm outreach. There is also a built-in invitation engine that helps James to get more introductions in less time. Now to close one deal, James needs only 10 trusted introductions. Stop wasting your time with cold prospects. Book a personalized product demo today, and we will show you how Inguro can help you close more deals.